Cesar.
Welcome, Mike.
Thank you very
Cesar
much.
from PEXS.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome to Villa Yume.
Wow. I mean, I thought that was quite the entrance, but this.
Quite a house.
Where does the pool end and the ocean begin?
Tough to say.
This is so beautifully designed, like so meticulous. Who's the designer? Who's the architect?
Mario Vargas designed it and finished it in 2024. You can see the difference in textures, the micro cement in the walls, the textures of the ceiling, the chandeliers. The staircase is definitely gorgeous with accents in copper. Everything was placed to fit this space.
Feels like very modern, but cozy at the same time.
Exactly. 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, complete. A media room that converts into a complete bedroom with a Murphy bed that pulls out.
How big is that bed?
King.
King size Murphy bed?
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever heard of that. You got some custom things going on here, huh?
The house is fully automated, so you can press a button and the whole doors will open wide open.
Wow.
We have formal dining, kitchen, living area. On that side, we have a bar area, media center, and right here we have an outdoor cooking area. Close to the pool, jacuzzi, an outdoor shower, like a waterfall.
Oh, cool. So something I like to do is take a shower and just go right to eating, which you got covered.
You bet, you bet.
Each bedroom I've seen so far, there's a lot of space. What's the primary like?
Wait until you see it, it's gonna blow your mind.
Okay, all right, Cesar. This is the most immersed in nature I've ever felt.
We're basically all surrounded by national parks and protected areas. So there is an overabundance of nature, animals, hiking trails, bike trails, championship golf course, even zip lining, an obstacle course, all within the jungle.
And this is a beautiful terrace.
You bet. Here you have a living space outdoor. And here, as you walk along, you're gonna find the amazing primary.
Oh, you weren't kidding about mind-blowing.
You could even spend the whole vacation just right here.
Yes, this is a bedroom?
Yes.
TV's bigger than the wall in my apartment. Oh, I haven't seen this yet.
Yeah.
This is a...
You wanna come see it?
Absolutely.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
Imagine having a glass of wine sunken in this tub with this beautiful view.
I mean, this is one of the most unique houses I've ever seen.
Of course.
Yeah. I mean, you don't get many houses like this.
You don't, but we have one that is what was made by the good friend of the owner of this house that is just as spectacular.
Wow. That's a massive house. How many people are we talking? How many bedrooms?
That one has 6 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms. It has a yoga area, great pool with a beautiful view, nice jacuzzi, fire pit, sunk-in living space.
And do they have primaries like this?
Primary like this, and actually it has a his and her office. These 2 properties feature green roofs, which is not very common in Costa Rica. You have all different type of plants, put it in the roof, blending with nature instead of intruding in nature.
Right. Oh, I like that.
Well, we talked about golf. Yes. We talked about nature. We talked about the beach club. There's an awesome place right in front of the golf club where you can get the best smash burger in town.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm a big foodie and I love smash burgers, so I'd love to go check it out. Let's go explore.
Yeah.
All right.